Gustafsson! Yes! Can you give me a little Freelayer? Can you give me some, what is Freelayer?
Freelayer is a company who develop horse blankets.
What horse?
Horse blankets. With a new design, and we focus on sustainability, on the materials, and we have a technical solution where we can measure temperature and moisture underneath the blankets.
So what's wrong with the old blankets?
They're not sustainable.
When they had, tornerspel, the horses had shabrak. Do you know shabrak? Do you have shabraks?
So I have shabraks.
Yes. Can you give me 10 to tomorrow?
Absolutely.
Okay, great. Yes. Shabrak, I haven't said that yet. So how do you translate shabrak to English? You're not prepared for the international market, I realize. Shabrak. Let's use that. That's a good name. That's German. That's a nice Shabrak. I don't know. Sorry. So, what will be the next step for Freelayer?
It's to finish the technical solution.
Okay. Good luck.